For today's lesson, we're going to learn how to do two-digit addition first grade style. And we start with 10 sticks and ones, like we learned in a few units ago. And if our sample problem was 57 plus 29, we go back to the roots of our problem and we draw the 10 sticks and the 7 ones so our kids can understand what 57 actually means. And 29 would be 2 10 sticks and 9 ones. And then we have the kids check if they have enough extra circles or ones to make a new group of 10. And in this case, they can take the 7 and 3 from over here, and then we count them up. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and then count this last group is 80. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, and 86. So that's our first steps in two-digit addition. Now sometimes there won't be regrouping in their problems, and sometimes that confuses them because they're used to us really working hard on that. But in this case, we do the same type of problem. We do the tens and the ones. And in this case, if we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, we don't have to make a new group. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, and 58. So that's our first way in how we introduce two-digit addition in first grade. Then we go on to some of the more familiar ways that a lot of us grew up with. And if we would do, say, 27 plus 49, what we have the kids do is make a new 10 below. So 4 and 2 is 6. And that actually means 60, so that's what we have them write. And 9 and 7 is 16. And then it's so much easier for them to add the ones first, which is a really good habit to get into. In the event you have to carry a 10 over. So it's 6. And 6 and 1 is 7. So the answer would be 76. And for some of us, we also grew up with this type of problem. So if we added 6 and 9, that would give us 15. And we carry the 1, and we can put it right there at the bottom so the kids see it. And that's 8 and 1 is 9, and 3 more is 12. And our answer would be 125. And finally, there is the way with the new 10 above. And that's how some of us learned in school. 9 and 7 is 16. We put the 1 up here. 4 and 2 is 6, and 1 more is 7. And those are the different ways we teach two-digit addition in first grade. Starting with 10 sticks and ones will be the first type that you will see on their homework. And that's what we ask you to follow so they have a good understanding of what these numbers mean. And then we eventually build up to the different types of regrouping. Putting the 10s below and then the 1s below that, and also carrying the new 1 to the top or right to the bottom. Hope this helps you with regrouping and two-digit addition with your first grader.